Yo guys, Rob here, and I just wanted to show you real quick how to do tighter turns on your Rampage. Let's go. So I like to start kind of wide. You can practice out just putting a little bit more weight on your back toe. This is a toe side turn, and then you can start getting real tight, more weight on the back, crouching lower. It's kind of making a weird noise though right now. Let me check that out. It's like something's making a flapping noise. What the heck is that? The heck? It looks important. Let's check it out. Huh. I don't know, guys. Is that the Rampage giveaway winner? What? So we did pick someone at random from YouTube. This is Thomas Aquino. Congratulations, dude. Can't wait to get you the Rampage. Everybody else, stay tuned. There's gonna be more giveaways. Bike giveaway next month, another skateboard the following month. So stay tuned. We're gonna kick these off, make them bigger and better each time. We'll see you later. And no worries if you didn't win the Rampage. Right now, they're the lowest price they will ever be. So now's the time to hop on it, get your Rampage, and we'll see you later.